If you are getting a lot of notifications from your JBL headphones app and you wish to stop them or disable them permanently, then in this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process to fix these JBL headphones app notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. As you can see, I have my JBL headphones app here. And because I've been receiving a lot of notifications, I wish to disable them. With so, you'll be able to use your headphones app with minimal interruptions. To do this, you need to access the JBL headphones app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear here or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access the app's info page. Head to permissions section, and under permissions, look for notifications. Currently, notifications are turned on, and you can see we have all these 6 types of notifications that are on. With this on, you will always receive those notifications. To disable all of them, instead of turning off one by one here, just turn off show notifications here, and this will disable all the other types of notifications. So that's how you can permanently disable JBL headphones app notifications permanently. If you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.